What are the financing options available to you as a customer when going with Dalinghaus Construction? We work with a company called Green Sky, and they work with a lot of contractors throughout the home repair industry. So we actually have 5 different options, including interest-free ones as well. So it's a very easy process, but we're going to go through that today. So what I would recommend for your foundation needs and going with Green Sky financing is one of the interest-free options. So it's 12 months, no interest, 24 months, no interest. Then there's a few other ones as well, but I like the interest-free options because even if you have the money, you can kind of put it aside and not have to pay for your whole project at once. You can do low monthly payments and then pay it off at a lump sum. So you may ask, how do I apply for this? Well, we could either do it on site with the Green Sky app, or on my proposals recently, I've been putting it in bold letters right at the top, and it shows the number you call for Green Sky, and then you have to give them the contractor number and the loan number. So they walk you through it and make an easy process, but I think they're open 6 days a week, and they're mainly East Coast time, but they have pretty extended hours. So people are always concerned if it's gonna affect their credit when applying for financing. So what happens is it's a soft credit check, so it's not gonna do any long-term effects for your credit. Green Sky works with Dalinghaus Construction by providing the loan numbers that we want. For example, loan 2521, 2641, 6136, 2740, 1569. Those are the competitive loan amounts numbers that we offer. So there's a variety of loan numbers that they offer, but we partner with Green Sky with these particular loan numbers for the 0% and the, for 12 months or 24 months, or the 10% or the 7%. So you may ask, what's the catch? There is none. You just choose the loan number that's right for you at this time financially. Say you take a 24-month, do some low monthly payments and then pay it off at the end. It's really up to you at this point. We offer some great financing through Green Sky, and we're really happy to partner with them. So the Green Sky financing calculator is a document where you can input the loan amount. On this one, I have $50,000 for this 12 months, no interest, no payment loan. So the monthly payment, if you wanted to pay it off in the 12 months, is $4,167. You could choose to pay 0 for 11 months and 25 days if you want, and then just pay the whole $50,000 at the end. But this is a great calculator that calculates the percentage, the monthly payments. We have a fixed rate of 10%. That $50,000 loan is going to become $79,257 if you chose to wait and pay it off like in 10 years. So this is a great document that your project specialist can walk you through while he's on site or via email. So customers will ask me a lot, what if I don't do anything? What if I don't repair my foundation right now? So I answer them this way. It's gotten worse over time as you've lived here before you bought it, and there's many reasons why it did. The poor soils, the poor compaction, the poor drainage, earth movement, expansive soils. But if you don't fix it, it's just gonna keep getting worse, and the repairs will get more expensive in the future. Our company has written a blog about this. What if I sell as is? So the problem with that is you're getting beat down by the buyer, because they're not only gonna take down the cost of the foundation repair. A lot of times it's $50,000. They're gonna do drywall, paint, this, that, remodel, and then they're gonna beat the customer down or the seller down by, sometimes 150 to 200,000. So it's better to at least get the process started now before it gets worse and becomes more pricey for you in the future. Now that you know more about all the financing options that we offer through Green Sky, please contact your project design specialist or one of our financing team at our office, and we can help you move forward with your project. Have a great day from Dalinghaus Construction.